Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add loyalty program in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, you'll be redirected to the Wix App Market and you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in loyalty and you're going to select the Wix loyalty program. After selecting this program, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can see some of the benefits of adding a loyalty program to your website. With this, you'll be able to offer loyalty program to returning clients and customers. So this will increase the amount of return customers that you'll be getting as you'll give them points for signing up, making a purchase, or placing an order. So there are numerous perks that you can now offer. So you're going to tap on Add to Site. After you have selected Add to Site, you can see it is being added. So you can see it right here. This is how it will look. To further edit it, you'll hover over the program with your cursor and you're going to tap on Manage Program. After selecting Manage Program, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you're going to tap on Start Now. After selecting Start Now, you can see right here, you can change your loyalty program name. After doing that, you can also choose whether you would like to name it Points or Custom Name. Then you're going to tap on Continue to Set Up. After selecting Continue to Set Up, from here you can scroll down and you can see how you'll be able to offer the points. So for example, purchase a product and get money, you can edit that, or sign up to the site and get a reward or get points. You can select any one of these options. You can scroll down and you can see the different rewards right here, or you can choose to create your own reward. You can also scroll down and from here you can set up email automations. So for example, you'll be able to welcome customers to your loyalty program. You could toggle this on if you want. And you can also tap on edit and from there you'll be able to edit the email. You can also scroll down and inform customers they have enough points for a reward. You have different automations that you can set up. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on settings right here and it will be live. But keep in mind, to offer this loyalty program or to accept any form of payment, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan, which is why you see they are saying upgrade right here as I'm currently on the free plan. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.